Fanatyści znów próbują się rozgościć na Geonosis. Znaleźliśmy kilka słabych punktów ich krążownika. Co jak co, ale słabe punkty to my uwielbiamy.
He's healing too much. Keep using him. No,
Standardowa misja. Zabezpieczcie stanowiska i
he's now the
przygotujcie się
BF
do ataku na okręt.
one shots all the enemies. Oh, crabbies.
Zdobyliście stanowisko dowodzenia aury.
Wanna fight? I can want to be one of Kha'Zix, some 2 levels on him.
Odsunąć się, granat!
Where'd he go? I will survive. I will survive. You have 1 mana, sir. Why on the cannon? Yeah. Oh, that actually killed me. Damn. Harvest. I got the cannon. 1 minion on the call. And we got this. Speed. Damn, she taking all my I needed that cannon. That was necessary. Should have dodged the W. Could have. I didn't want to flash though. Look how game changing. Scout slingshot did absolutely nothing. I couldn't even notice that I bought an item. I would have noticed more buying another ball.
Dominacji w sektorze, nie odpuszczać! To jest sprzymierzenie! Ruszyć z pomocą!
He's a wizard. I don't like this. What do you want? I was ready to flash. He didn't.
Joda przybył na cestę!
There's one of us.
stanowiskiem Dor.
Używam granatu!
Nasze siły straciły stanowisko Aurek.
Żadnej krzywdy nie uczynić. Bardzo szybko.
Zdobywamy stanowisko S. Zyskaliśmy stanowisko dowodzenia S.
Pojawił się Dark Maul. Skupcie się. Pozycji.
Przejmujemy kontrolę nad stanowiskiem Aurek.
Jesteście aktywni.
I might steal this one. I'm hunting you, bug. I ain't scared of you. You got no CC.
Przejmujemy stanowisko S.
Obszar jest już prawie zabezpieczony. Tak, trzymać!
It makes my east.
Odbezpieczony! Odliczam! Dostrzeżono generała Pivesa!
Why am I getting flamed, bro? My team was flaming me in champ select. They're like, don't beg for ganks after picking that. If I lost that, I would actually get a cry.
Pojawił się Dark Maul. Macie nowe zadania. Zabezpieczyć te stanowiska dowodzenia.
I just need frontline. I don't know if we're gonna have
Hrabia Duku wkroczył do bitwy.
Oznaczamy stanowisko S.
Need a little bit more for this. Maybe we can go like bits. I don't know, something. Oh my god. Cannon, I needed that.
Do wroga dołączył łowca nagród bot.
God damn it, dude. I thought it was my team, and of course their team is. Oh, that's Malzar flash. Just need. Fortunately, the misfortune can just walk in a straight line at me and not have to worry about it. Yeah, I might need to go. Damn it. Running me down.
Doskonale. Kanonierki lat właśnie lądują. Wiejcie stamtąd.
Oh man.
Zdaje się, że arcybrzękarz Grimes dołączył do walki.
Is the support that heals me and some frontline. We never get either of those. Oh, it's the resident, though. Oh, because it is a slow game. Yeah, that's fine. At least they don't get a bunch of free stats. It gives attack speed and damage. Oh, Kraken. Let's go Kraken. It's just we have no tank, we have no frontline. Nobody's gonna go in to like die and then that's what wants to do. I don't know why it's so impossible. The enemy team always gets these stacked comps and I like get nothing to work with.
Wiedziałem, że dacie radę. Następna stacja chaos i zniszczenie na pancerniku.
Dude, come on. She stands right there and there's nobody on that.
Gdy tylko wylądujecie, musicie zabrać się za odnalezienie tych celów i walić w nie, czym popadnie.
I don't even think I get a reset on my... Oh, here comes the Malzar running in a straight line at me.
Czas na cel, bracia! Załatwmy ten
Yeah, I
okręt!
don't even get past him, dude. This is insane. Guys, come on! Diana! Like, what the frick? My front line is behind me. Seems a common problem I run into. Did. Why is my front line hiding behind the back line? Hello, baby? Hello, team? That's just Man, that Otacon saved them so much. We're not getting I could have like killed them, but Otacon actually just stops me from even getting passive, which hard counters me. At least it's done. We gotta do that all the time. But unfortunately, there's a Malzahar that's just going to be pressing on me, walking in straight line.
Był Dark Maul, ostrożnie, bracia!
Niezłe szkolenie dla Barbarona.
We have just no team.
Zatrzymaj się i przemyśl.
We don't have a Diana.
Jeszcze sekunda i wracacie do akcji.
Przejmujemy kontrolę nad celem.
There's only one person go in, eat melons. I don't get a phone. And then I kill them. It's not that hard. It's really not that hard. We can kill him. Like, there's a mountain heart.
Pojawił się Dark Maul. Skupcie się.
Whew, 4.4 with rockets. Oh my god, 6.3. Holy cannoli. See, look what happens. I just need one kill. I just need somebody to go in now.
Dołączył do nas mistrz Yoda.
I just need someone to stop now. 6.3 attack
Pojawił się Dark Maul.
Wow, look at me go. Look at me go. Bro, I need somebody up here. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Dostrzeżono generała Grivesa.
Look at this, dude. Why are you so thirsty for me, bro? You could have got the in-hit. They don't like me. They do not like me. What a fucking Who's a Baron? Horses some Kazakhs ain't even here. Just free.
Ściągnęli łowcę nagród.
Oh, Nessus is coming. We can't. If he withers me, I'm instantly dead. There's nothing I can do.
Przybył Darth Maul, ostrożnie bracia! Uważajcie! Teraz ucieka, bracia! Pomóżmy na tardzie, zanim będzie za późno! Nie wytrzyma, strzelajcie dalej!
I have flash ghost. Going down to CC.
Do wroga dołączył łowca nagród
Rest
most!
is staying by me. That's good.
Tym razem nie udało się nam wypełnić misji, ale to nie koniec. Musimy się cofnąć i odbić kilka z tych placówek dowodzenia.
That's a free penta if I ever seen one. 6 point something. Almost better.
Rozkazy są proste, zabezpieczyć tę pozycję.
Yeah, Diana did good there. See, finally, dude. Finally a fight where people just go in, do their thing.
Zabezpieczamy stanowisko
Yeah,
Grę.
they're gonna attack really fast here.
Zyskaliśmy stanowisko
What
dowodzenia
attack speed
Grę.
did I get you at the end there? I was shooting those rockets. I had 10 attacks. Really?
Alright everybody, welcome back to this. Today we're playing some Kaiser in the mid lane. We're running Leaping Pencil, Presence of Mind, Alacrity, Cut the Grass, Bone Plating, and Overgrowth. We're gonna go attack speed Kaiza. I'm gonna try and hit max attack speed on her. And we'll also be able to get all of our upgrades because attack speed items give all the stuff that she needs. This will be fun because I don't think I've ever played her full on hit before. We're gonna do practice into dashers. And those 3 items should give us all 3 of our upgrades. They give a mix of attack speed and we're against a Katarina. We don't have any CC to stop her ult, but we can move out of it. But I think I am stronger than her earlier. She's actually moving out of. Be gone. I'll have a bit more sustained damage than her early. But once she's level 6, we gotta be careful. Good poke. At least she started Dark Seal. He's on chickens.
And honed by instinct.
I think I also get attack speed after I use speed. Yeah, I do. So I think we can easily hit the attack speed cap as long as I have on-hit items for every slot. Oh no. I missed one. And she has no potion and she's chunked. I'm just free to farm. Kinda want to get a call. Might be kinda risky. Cause she's gonna start roaming, and I can keep farming. I don't know if I can really follow her. I'd have to poke her first. Okay, Darius could strengthen. Diego's gonna be bot side of the map now. Tried predicting her jumping to that. It looked like she was gonna. I gotta be careful, that W uses a lot of mana. You know, if I don't push, she's missing a lot of power. Let's keep the wave here. What was his pathing then?
Przejęliście już wszystkie potrzebne stanowiska dowodzenia. Wysłałem po was transportowiec. To wasza szansa na zniszczenie okrętu wroga. Fantastycznie! Ruszajcie popsuć cień załodze okrętu droidów! Do transportowca! Wiedziałem, że dacie radę. Następna stacja, chaos i zniszczenie na pancerniku. Gdy tylko wylądujecie, musicie zabrać się za odnalezienie tych celów i walić w nie, czym popadnie.
Get some plating. Well, she didn't get the kill, but she got an assist for her seal. I hate laning against this champ. You don't actually lane first her. Your teammates just funnel her kills.
Namierzam
I'm scared I
druida!
hit this tower, Katarina and Diego come out of the building.
Czuję się do strzału! Daj mi kilka sekund! Dołączył do nas mistrz Joda!
Diego's gonna be here, of course. You guys okay?
Daję strzał eliminów!
Can help.
Odbędzie kontrnika!
I chunked
Skanuję przeciwników!
Don't know if I'll be able to get the plating, but I will try.
Te siły zniszczyły cel. A! Robicie tam taką rozwałkę, że aż miło się patrzy.
Can maybe get her. I think she knows something's up.
Oj, to się brzękaczom nie spodoba.
Yep, she's gonna be a lot stronger than me. At least she's worth a shutdown. But if this Briar never ganks, I don't have a way to kill her.